Hey guys, this is day 21 of my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to show you how you can use DeepL AI. So DeepL is basically a translation tool, but much better than most. Let me show you. So I'll paste some text here. Let's say I'm learning AI tools, and now I'll translate it into another language. Let's say Nepali, and you can see you get the result. But here's the difference. The translation actually sounds natural, not robotic. So, for example, if you compare it with the Google Translate, you'll notice DeepL often feel more human. Now let's try something else. You can also translate full document like a PDF, Word files. So instead of just copying line by line, you just upload the file and it translates everything. Another useful feature is a tone. You can adjust translation to sound formal, informal. And so this is really useful for emails, business communication. You can also use it for learning language, writing content, talking to international clients. So yeah, if you deal with a multiple language, this is definitely worth trying. And try it and tell me what you think. I'll see you in the next one.